In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable drill down in Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is now called Looker Studio, but the features work the same. Drill down lets your viewers start with a high-level view, then click to reveal more detail, like moving from year to month to day, or from country to state to city. It keeps dashboards clean while giving people the flexibility to explore the data they care about. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Head to the official site. In most cases, you'll be taken in automatically using your Google account, and you'll land on the home page where your reports are listed. If you have multiple accounts, just make sure you're on the one that owns or can edit the report you want to use. From your list of reports, open the one you want to work with. Once inside, pick the specific chart you want to enable drill down for. This feature works great on charts like tables, maps, and time series, and it's especially powerful when your data has a natural hierarchy, such as dates, geography, or product categories. Click the chart once to select it. When it's selected, you'll see its Properties panel on the right. In that right-hand panel, click the Setup tab. This is where you define the data behavior for the selected chart. Look for the Dimensions section. You'll see an option labeled Drill Down. Toggle that switch to the On position. Turning this on tells Looker Studio that the chart should support multiple levels of detail. Next, you'll add your dimensions in order from the most general to the most specific. For a date hierarchy, that might be year, then month, then day. For a geographic hierarchy, it could be country, state, or region, then city. For products, think category, subcategory, and SKU. You can drag and drop to reorder the dimensions until they match the logical path you want users to follow. Keeping the order consistent and meaningful helps viewers understand what they're drilling into. Finally, choose a dimension from the default drill down-level dropdown. This sets what the chart shows first before anyone drills deeper. For broad trends, pick a higher level like year or country. If your audience needs more granularity up front, choose something like month or state. That's it. When you view your report, you'll be able to move through those levels interactively. If something doesn't look right, revisit the chart's Setup tab and adjust the dimension order or the default level. With a clear hierarchy in place, your dashboards will be easier to explore and far more insightful.